Huawei has released its latest line of 4K TVs, the Smart Screen S7 series. The new lineup ranges from 55 to 98 inches and uses Super MiniLED panels alongside Huawei's proprietary Honghu processor and HarmonyOS 4.3 software. All 5 sizes in the S7 lineup, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 98 inches, use 4K LCD panels with mini-LED backlighting. The 55-inch and 65-inch models have a typical brightness of 400 nits and a peak of 1,200 nits. The 75-inch and 85-inch versions increase that to 450 nits typical and 1,500 nits peak. The largest 98-inch model outputs 500 nits typical and 1,200 nits peak, while also covering 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Refresh rates vary by model. The 55-inch through 85-inch TVs have a native 120 Hz panel, which can reach up to 300 Hz using motion enhancement algorithms when connected to a PC or console. The 98-inch version has a 144 Hz native refresh rate with a 288 Hz motion enhancement mode. Inside the 55-inch to 85-inch models is Huawei's new Honghu chipset. These TVs come with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, plus a virtual RAM feature that can allocate an additional 2 GB of memory for background tasks. The TVs run on HarmonyOS 4.3 and include Huawei's Xiaoyi voice assistant. There is an 8MP camera built into the TV for 1080p video calls, which includes a physical privacy shutter. This camera also powers features like posture detection and distance monitoring to prompt children to sit further back from the screen. Audio configurations depend on the size. The 55-inch and 65-inch models have a standard 2.0 channel setup with dual 25W speakers. The 75-inch adds two 25W tweeters, and the 85-inch includes a 44W subwoofer for a 2.1 channel system. The 98-inch model uses dual 20W speakers and a 50W woofer. For connectivity, the 55-inch to 85-inch models include two HDMI 2.1 ports, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 5. The 98-inch version upgrades to 3 HDMI 2.1 ports and Wi-Fi 6. The Huawei Smart Screen S7 is available now in a Starry Gray finish. Pricing starts at 3,999 yuan, $600, for the 55-inch model, while the 65-inch version costs 4,999 yuan, $750. The 75-inch variant is priced at 6,999 yuan, $1,050, whereas the 85-inch model retails for 8,999 yuan, $1,350. Huawei has priced the top-end 98-inch version at 12,999 yuan, $1,950.